I'm now at Huanxian in Qingyang City, northwest China's Gansu province. Here is also on the edge of Moors Desert. It was once an area of dust and sand, frequently plagued by severe sandstorms. Thanks to the afforestation efforts these years, the spreading desert is effectively pushed back.
Moors Desert is one of China's 4 major sandy lands. At the end of the last century, some locals were forced to relocate due to the intense and frequent sandstorms.
上世纪的80年代和90年代，由于不合理的生产活动，造成那个植被退化，风沙危害逐步严重，老百姓不得不搬迁。
In recent years, Huanxian has taken comprehensive measures to tame the sand dunes. A shelter forest program was launched, and straw checkboard sand barriers were placed to fix the moving sand dunes. The county has built a 150-kilometer ecological barrier along the southern edge of the desert.
凡购圈林场地处毛乌苏沙原南边，经过山带，林业公认的不泄怒的，造林53845亩，已全部成林，有效地阻止了沙地沙化，阻止了沙陷南移。
咱们14年我草了以前那黄色基本黄秃秃的，风沙大，流失大。咱们14年草林了以后，几乎就没有土地流失的这个现象了，风沙也小了，环境也好了，这一方面给老百姓带来很大的好处。